We have for me, I will arrest this one. I will arrest this one. You think me or the company, me fake go about where? You see, I say Ukraine not get level, but people do with they support them. Russia and you say you now they pretend for your live video. See everything they talk for live video, they pretend like say you dance go this side, you dance go this side. You think say they brainwash people. Why you here? You understand me? So why you here? If I not be my fans, I beg. When I tag about say I don't see the video because he say he want to talk to the big daddy. He want to talk to the big daddy papa. Now maybe the papa we stand for all the children where they Europe will not get father. Maybe we are talk about. A more than a way bonigbina for Nigeria. I will come swear for now today. Like people why they support for Nigeria. If they don't send me €1, since I they support because I they stand for truth. I know they want me you they come only commonize people. If they don't send me €1, wait till I come fight for Europe, I know go see her. And me, I need to go area but if for Nigeria, say people why they support, apart from only Deco, I can never learn only Deco. Because election, I boy can election, even when I fight in 4+4, I be fear no way. I be APC member, right from time. So I fear I boy can election. Now let Deco, that don't give me small thing. If they hear me so, wait, a man, at least, he's a man, he be toge. Mazana, at least a good video. I'm supporting him. Maza when we je, where did a government mafia no way we have election. I have no way. So if you tell me say like the Destiny Pagwa, like Eruwala, like there are so many people that have been fighting against this social media. Hey, John Sagyokba. Hey, John Sagyokba. See, if you don't know how to do saga, all those your saga where they first say they do mature saga. Like if you don't sabi do saga, come on body about. Come on body. Anything where you hear for saga, you go bear. All those ones say, I want to arrest this one. I want to arrest. You hear the zuo about who was zuo. If you dare Europe, I can when because your wife not enjoy your kissing. You said me, I know they insult children for social media. Go and confirm me. I know they insult children for social media. The other I tell you so. I know they insult children for social media. You say okay now. You say you know they fight for government. You at least see with the video what you did. Do I can't play all of them for you? I beg. When I know they share the video, I can't play all the nonsense we talk. You they instigate people to go and do video to be monitoring people. You say me they go tell FBI, see what they do. So you get that sense. No, you know say that they tell FBI. Make people do video to go without they not talk the person name. Why you not do the Kolisimudia, do the Denosage, do all those people who they condemn? Why you not go tell police say you people should investigate these people by coming out and be condemning them? See, my brother Abat, the more you they condemn all those people, the more they give you to woto. I beg, if you know soon of my followers, one of the right and put Russia and Ukraine war one start for social media. Not be the one way that they do. I beg, if you not say that they here with me, when I go right and say, Rob, Abat na be Russia, now maybe Ukraine. With small 5,000 followers, want to fight with 430,000 followers. You see, I say, if they pretend they watch my video, Sisi Sake, only yesterday when I do video give John Sagi. Because I correct John Sagi, say, even well no magba, on an eladiana, a bang out of eladiana, my brother. Also not be one in my ways. Anyway, as a bonu what a bonu, I will have a little nuahiri. What do I mean? Sadoka, it can really aje. God will bless you. I don't be one in my brother. Sadoka, it can really aje one who penny, you get me in Sadoka. Iri wale wanaku wawako beyaku beg wanu peni. Oh yeah. Sadoka no ma. Nike kunwe bogbu e o mala je do gun wa. Iri le leru nu egere na when you be big boy, this guy not supposed to call you as he not supposed to call your ass like that. It don't make sense. Oh yeah, me la jana. I will arrest you. 4 days ago me we video me we no am say dia amunu yu penwe. Now when you say amunu yu penwe, o so mala la dia. The video me ya gudo so sage gwan no retouch you well. You see say you are a muturu somebody about. You be muturu. You are brainwashing the cyberspace. Forget. If you know that these people are doing fraudulent things, let the government investigate them, not you coming out. So if you come out and be putting these people down, anything you see for cyberspace, you go be around. I just want to say, I will arrest you. Go and look for Don Prince. If they say that France today, you arrest me. Abat. When I heard the right time, Russia and Ukraine want to start war in social media. Russia and Ukraine. Wawa your Russia, Ukraine, and maybe Ukraine. Now about the Russia. I propose ya, I broke down was when winner. What was when winner? Was when winner? I went away lerun wari. Sadoka no ga. Sadoka or ga in the class. Genocide, I've been supporting him for more than many years now. I've never called him one day. Go and ask. Only the day I called him was about 5 days ago. At least, you don't. You matter more when you support you, eh? Because I see the good things where you they do. That make me they support you. You know something? So because of the good things, the way they help people, that make me they support you. Because I love people that help humanity. Because of this thing when I do, about the Nigeria system, Master Foundation, because of this thing when they do, oh yeah, foundation. Now he's trying to destroy people foundation, claiming he's the best. Who are you brainwashing in cyberspace about? Who are you brainwashing in this cyberspace? Eh? You are not claiming you are not the saint. You are not the saint. Genocide is not the scam. Colisimudia is not the scam. You are not the saint. Abba, not be by view. You see, say small platform where I get. Even though say I talk my word, you see the hear out. The most important is say make you hear. See what people they talk. They say they love Ukraine. I beg you, I know someone support Ukraine. Who knows say want support Abba? One at the right time. You know say you be Abba fans. You want support Russia, Ratan. If you know say you want support Ukraine, Ratan. I have my video not being this one being here. Oh yeah, man, they see comment. If you know say you want to support Ukraine this fight, please write it because I will be Ukraine. You understand me? So I will be Ukraine. Now how bad be Russia? When Russia with me valo. Then I call you valo. You think you can come to cyberspace and be brainwashing people? It tell me why it dene social media. You understand me? So it dene social media. If these people are supporting Nigeria, if they are giving me money, èmi ló gbọ́ lọ́wọ́ ebo ní èmi apart from only deco yeti tori. Because mudia area one naira me ni ya support èmi ló gbọ́ lọ́wọ́ ebo ní èmi. But o man area me, I'm coming home with a hero. I'm coming to Nigeria in Benin as a hero. Go and mark it. Me. O ma be a whiskey the ice one. 20 mego for that day. Go mark her. 20 mego for. Abat, I dey tell you. You understand me so? 20 mego for. You know say I say whiskey is and sing. You just say they play. As you dey fight me, if you never know, now you know. You dey fight your old brother. You say I tell no. Me not dey Bini. I don't know you. How you just say you shall see anything you see for saga. You go be around. I be woto. Never hear woto. Emi o gbo e abata. Be saga lawe egbe. You never dey hear te call woto. Egbe marawe when no zuo wa bre what man we orphanage. Which orphanage they do? If you know so that they support Ukraine, more than the right time, maybe Ukraine now today. I don't come be Ukraine. You know, some so you come out, they call the zoo, they say, Mona go invite her, cause say, the priest don't reply. Bros, you talk up for your video, say, police they collect money. You know, say, police they collect money. Only you they condemn police. Why you call the 30 people say you arrest them? Come and say, don't talk the thing with your man. Say, these people, if I feel kid, I will do one. Not call the pretend say you want to arrest them. You are the person saying that. Because you know, say for abroad, you know if you arrest me. Imagine person will never come abroad before, say you want to arrest person. Imagine why you brainwashing. Me no yawe, oh brainwashing ya, ye wa azu lele. Imagine a university holder, not J school, someone that have never been to Europe before, and he's telling you that he's going to arrest you in Europe, and you will believe that kind of person. I want to arrest you. Baba Boston, where Boston will share. Your new name is I will arrest them. Don Prince, I want to arrest you. I will arrest them. Bro, bring the video back on the plan for them now. Plan for the other way for stuff on my side.
This. Don Prince.
What are they listing? What are they listing?
Or you be influencer, I don't know.
But what are listing? Since then, where they talk to this coward. When I know say this guy are very illiterate somebody, you know, if they feel say they brainwash all of una. Since then where I tell they talk to this guy, I don't give a goto. All those goto, they not be only they pretend to. There are so many people why they give goto for this social media. All of them they pretend say they don't see my video. He said they are mad, they want that because I don't see that the truth they tell them. The way you come out, say you they fight in any area, since you don't let government fight, you they fight. Anything where you see for the fight, you will be around. You understand me? So you say you know they watch video. When I go lead this video, he say their video too long. Imagine where God want punish you now. I don't want to show your face for this place. I don't want to show your face because if you look at it, a coin now, ha, I have a 10 million coin. I go, say. So imagine I show a coin now a video. So I will only show what he talk about me. He don't say never mention my name. I've never shown. This is why they talk. Since I never show you anything of it. But now when he mention say Don Prince, he threaten me, go find me. Nah. People when they say me they find me, I never even know. Say me they go find me for me wrong. See, I did Bordeaux City, France. Yeah, you know the city where they call Bordeaux City, France. Me they come find me. If I run, I die. I did Benin, I never run. Now when I come to Europe, I come to run. I did Benin, I never run. Now when I come to Europe, I come to run. About to phone him. Him. You are be threatening people that you want to arrest them. You are with the Damasis. You want to arrest the Damasis. You want to arrest Eranomego. You want to arrest this one. You want to arrest this one. Arrest, Baba, arrest. What arrest is I want to arrest. What's one I want to arrest. Your new name is I want to arrest. Now the name is our bad new name is I want to arrest. What are they listening?
And I want to get to Don Prince.
I want to get to Don Prince. Need to have that come on. When are they list you? Yes, when I did both. When I go tell her, say, I did Bordeaux City. May come arrest me. Bordeaux City. If I roll, I die. Me run for Abat. Abat, Ukraine. You know the war we want to start for social media, so Ukraine and Russia. For me and you.
I'll tell you something. Whether you be Don or you be Prince, I don't know where the family for call you be Prince. I saw
if you don't read the time, you will know the family where for come. No way.
I checked your followers. You have less than 40,000 people following you.
And then your friend will say, this guy, he say, he check my followers. I have less than 40,000 followers. Go and check I only have 5,000 followers. We are growing. I don't lie. No, wait, he say, he check my profile. I don't go F your banner. Since we down with him, and then I support to where don't like the who were better vidime. And a vidime no go and store obiri. E man investigate to where it me vidime we store obiri. Okpen me yata we me ajedo. If I dey come Bini, money want to follow you 5 case, they one side. You understand me so? So if you cannot go anywhere, we still there. I not be person will be muturu. Ye muturu we do. You hear me so? Money when me want to fight follow you 5 stay 20 million one hour waggle where I go so aka wasun but me police case we we power pretend. Now war you dey find as he say wo do woto you know where the area where they talk. So if you want more still do like that, no shake. If I die today, I die for good. You hear me so? If I die today, I die for good. You understand me so? So all those way they come and say want to threaten me. You want to come arrest me if France, you will never smell Europe. Zaga Allah we be Mariana. Wa ri bu ehwe yin. Wo bi no man because you brainwash our people. They say what to make you dey feel brainwash because your platform don't big. And if you be like pastor now we be say pastor church don't full. Anything where you talk people go believe because pastor the church don't full. Not be the you they finish up. Forget say we get small platform. We'll still we they come. People that love us will follow us because we are saying the truth. People that love us will follow us. So you know if you go get big platform, anything you talk, at least people if you get big platform, any big pastor for church, even though say even mess, he mess with altar. People say amen, daddy. Or on fair way they will preach way and fair pan. You go to hear members say, hallelujah! And you always about. You don't get big platform. You have right to bring. See today, they will watch your video. You did laugh, I did laugh with you with my real account. You don't block me. You don't pretend say you don't know me. You don't ever block me for a very long time. Forget. But today, I see they watch you direct. You know say they watch you. I know they lie. Me not be lie. Say I don't watch their video. Their video is very long. I don't watch them. No video. This video why they play so. Mona go check out for about video. More than 1 hour I take talk to me. More than 1 hour I take talk to Don Prince. But later he say no they do video. It too they long. He don't watch people. Who want they watch your long video when you do so to Don Prince? Who want they watch her? Ross, who want they watch her? Who want they watch this video where you they do? Where you now? You say you don't want to talk to Don Prince. You hear me so? You don't want to, but now you say the video way that they do, it too dey long. Mona go check video where he reply me now. He say he want to arrest me. I will arrest him. He play anyhow in my head, and people don't wait my plan. People don't wait my people don't wait my plan. I will arrest him. Your Albert new name, my followers, if you don't say they follow me, Mona the right time. I will arrest him. New name to Albert. I want to see like 15 people who right now. I will arrest him. I will arrest him. I will arrest him. Wagbon yo, Esimoki koyo. Wagbon yo, my followers. Before I play the video, man, they say, if you know say you they follow what they talk, you they follow me. When they write the new name, I will arrest him. I will arrest them. Wagbon yo. Yeah.
Play this video.
When they write, how many people don't write down? You cannot kiss one, but you cannot kiss one. You cannot kiss one. But you cannot kiss one. I'm sure you will kick me. Oh yeah, now, yeah, FC Ball say I will arrest him. FC Ball, yeah. Ishaman Lucky say I will arrest him. Now you name be this oh. Mona yo the writer. Want to see 50 people write this thing? Yeah, Messi Osare say I will arrest him. What you posto we share. Oh, we follow we I will arrest him. I will arrest him. What yeah? I will arrest him. Ifa ngala wa gbe hin ifa. Bele we just ade wa be sunu na. E do we oswene. Yeah, see me Kato Augustine, Joseph Yayi, I will arrest him. Oluwa's son. Oh, I will arrest him.
You know my brothers, you know me, Richards, and I am
Yeah, my kiss me.
trying to settle me and table shaker, yes, untouchable, carry on.
Wa bege no time no yata o ge tebo se be carry o. Wa bege I will arrest him. Wa agbon yo. Never reach we still need that we arrest him. I need 100 that we arrest him. I need 100 I will arrest him before we start.
Mensa, say yes.
You see the way they write yes follow your back. Everybody get supporters. Even say devil come out today. All the followers, all the supporters. I'm telling you the truth. Abat, even though say devil come out today, can't do anything. He must get people who see supporter. You think me no see get supporters? You think say you come and you they beat me like that anyhow? Am I supporting eh? Anywhere they be supporter. Oh, if you Russia, I think be Ukraine where you are supporters. I will arrest you. President say I will pay you. Oh yeah, more change it. I don't think again. More than the right people will want pay. People will want pay. More than see right. I will pay you. Bless your bed. They say I will arrest you. Jegede say I will pay you. Jegede Desmond. Okay, this I will arrest you. Don't see rich. Mona right. I will pay you. Okay now, I will pay you. Okay, Ojo Jennifer say I will arrest him. Jegede say I will pay you. Oh yeah, the more they see people want pay. More they see people. Since you they see they talk your whole. Let me start. This one say he can't arrest you. Mercy. Josephine say I will arrest him. I will arrest him. Don't see rich. I beg. I will arrest him. Don't see rich. He don't see rich. That name is his name. New name now is I will arrest him. Ekato God he say I will pay you. Oh yeah, most start to write I will pay you. While you agbo yo, I will pay you because almost one no. Almost one. I will pay you. Ishoma Lucky say I will pay you. Josephine Yayi say I will pay you. MC Bo say I will pay you. Bless you. But they say it is the most funniest part. About that con me marry boka con na o yes stand. Me wa mo ge yan ni radio ni awe gbe kun ere. E ga die Nigeria diamond no. E-money. Is this e-money they waka ni ya? E-money no dey waka. Ari fi egbo me no money wey me want to take my own security. If na 10 million, I arrange in one side. Say this one is for security first. Akedo so agwezo, take 20 million when I agwezo na ga the police, na ga the lawyer. Aga ni ya. Anyway don't let ya, I will arrest him. I will arrest him. I don't have money, my brother. All those one not they will not they listen to all those one again. Come straight to the point. Say I will fall in. I want fall am. You come say this guy will fall. So we know say na battle. We no say na battle. Be the Ukraine and Russia ladia. Russia dey go. Owa ladia we see wetin dey my mind. Honest one eat. We worry. Are we arresting? This say Eranomigo no be you fear o. Eranomigo fear. He fear governor Obaseki. No be you fear. You too small. People wey dey beneath for with them. You never fear arrest them. Now we dey Europe wan arrest. Ma be no zua eh.
Yes. So it is now very clear that the people when they talk say what they do against these two characters, especially John and Collins, say are they create.
What are they listing?
If you already comment now, you should be you suppose shame. You suppose shame now to say the popular voice wants me to continue. The popular voice wants me to continue to expose them. Eunice AK, thank you very much. See Facebook, everywhere you are seeing, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere you are seeing is yes.
You see, as Facebook, YouTube, you are making business with all these things. You are making money. Why pretend you will make you go on now? Why pretend? When you know that these things you are making money, many money inside. Why pretend? You will still come out one day. Who will do sue away? This is your foundation. Before you go hand down, before you go finish, if you chop any money for inside, no, may will not kill you. May the Benin where the Ebowo they serve everything what they serve for Benin, may they kill you. May the evil, the God where you know everything where you know, say the day we go chop for this money, you will die.
Taught me. But as I say, now the disadvantage side now. Now the unpopular side. Now, please, before I start this video, I want to send a clear message to Don Prince.
When I listen carefully,
comedian, or you be influencer, I don't know.
So I get 40,000 followers.
Please, I want to.
That's what I say. Go school with this one. He's saying check my platform. I get 40,000 followers. He's saying check Camo. When I listen, say I get 40,000 followers. Imagine person when I say go school. I will arrest him.
I saw a video that you did 4 days ago. Someone drew my attention to the video. I checked your followers. You have less than 40,000 people following you.
You have less than 40,000. When I go check, I only have 5,000. In my that's one. In my group, my fianyagbe.
That's why they are even following
My grow day. The good people that they will follow me.
You have nothing upstairs to offer.
Okay. Now you get something upstairs. Everybody not get something upstairs. That man says everybody for that. Now let you get something upstairs. Walk back and now let your wife in the brainwash yourself. I will never insult your wife. Each time I know when. You know say no when we are calm down. We are calm down. Say no when. Masa na we talala anything you see for saga you go be around. You never see. We matter awa ohere without a mawa ohere. We may we arrest them. We arrest them. You say you want to threaten me? You are a mugu. Ukraine war and Russia war next so I will give up to you woto. And if you come out again, I know say you shame not let you reply me again. Shame not will let you reply me. Shame not will let you reply me.
Many people were not happy.
Because your disgrace now you see your disgrace.
My wife and my children into the social media fight.
My wife now yours. Not be here. We be say Lolo they insult people, family, they do everything. Now you give organic queen. Now you they call her organic queen. Now here you they call Lolo organic. Wait Lolo, you see say this woman they insult people, family. If they pull lie against person, if person picking, Lolo say not be born and say na papa wala born the picking. On another way wala mwe kono or man we am organic queen now. But people will pretend that not seeing what this guy is doing. People will pretend. Why are we seeing evil people in this world? Why? You came out and give Lolo organic queen. Because Monica carry your saga come out. You get to go and support Lolo. But not Lolo is disturbing the social media space. He's saying lie that is not of good. He's saying lie to another family. You came out and give that woman organic nation. You say Lolo is an organic. Go and watch your video. I know they lie. They watch your video about this. So you will block me. I know they lie. I don't be like you where they lie. They brainwash people say I don't watch their video. Their video you're long. I don't watch that. Wait, be say many of my video where you stop for your inbox. You know how many? No go Mariana.
The matter which Indo decide to rest, but the Ranomigo rest.
Who are you pretending for? Who are you brainwashing? You know how many secret followers I get? Forget the view. Forget say we not get many view. Not be by view, but what we they talk when you they not the listing.
Please, if you are a friend of Don Prince, you say you know my sister